Hi everyone, it's time for afternoon group and we're going to look at some ocean animals first. So let's get started. Okay, so here is our list of sea animals or animals that live in the ocean. Another word for ocean is sea. All right, so let's start up here. Walrus, whale, jellyfish, goldfish, starfish, lobster, seahorse. What's this one? Octopus, seal, crab, shark, and dolphin. All right, let's see. I'm going to see how you do. Ready? My yellow highlighter is going to land on a picture. Ready? What did it land on? A starfish. Right. It's called starfish because it's shaped like a star. All right, let's do another one. All right, this is called a what? Jellyfish, right? Starts the letter J, just like June. Whoa. Let's do one more. What's this animal? A dolphin, right? Dolphin lives in the ocean, just like these other friends. All right, we're going to look at a book now. Okay, this is called Discovery Ocean Animals. The ocean is full of many animals. What's this? It's a fish. Some animals crawl on the ocean floor. This lobster crawls on the ocean floor. Good. This was a lobster, just like in our vocabulary, our pictures. And you might hear some action words in this book. Crawl is an action word. Crawl on the floor. Some animals stay in one spot and grow. This coral stays in one spot to grow. The action word is grow. Some animals can crawl on land. This sea lion can crawl on land. What was the action word? Crawl, right? Some animals can fly above the ocean. This seagull can fly above the ocean. What was the action word? Birds can fly. Good. Fly is the action word. Some animals travel far. This sea turtle travels far. So the action word here is travel, which is kind of tricky. That just means it goes from one place to another place in the ocean. It swims. Some animals do not move very fast. This sea snail does not move very fast. So we can say the snail moves slowly. The action word is move. Some animals have bright colors. This yellow tangfish has bright colors. What color is this fish? Yellow, right. So when you talk about this fish, you can say, it's a yellow fish. Some animals try to blend in. This seahorse tries to blend in. Like camouflage, right? We've heard that word before. Some animals have stripes. This damselfish has stripes. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black. It's kind of like a pattern, right? Black, 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 black. right? Some animals have spikes. This pufferfish has spikes. These are describing words. It's spiky. Ouch. So if you touch it, it might hurt. Spiky. Some animals are smooth. This jellyfish is smooth, right? Can you think of something that's smooth? Some animals have arms. This squid has 8 arms. Some animals have sharp teeth. This killer whale has sharp teeth. Can you think of another animal, sea animal, that might have sharp teeth? I can think of a shark. Nice. Some animals can jump. There's another action word, right? Jump. This dolphin can jump. There's our dolphin. Some animals eat fish. This mako shark eats fish. What is that? That's the shark. That was the end of Discover Ocean Animals. And guess what? I just saw on the front of the page, there's another animal. Let's look right here. This animal is called a crab. Great job, you guys. So we went over our ocean animals vocabulary, and we read a quick book about ocean animals. We talked about action words, and we also talked about describing. You can describe some of these fish, right? Or animals. I heard smooth. I heard spiky, right? I heard yellow. You could talk about them using colors. I hope you liked that book. And that's on Epic if you guys want to look at Epic. All right. Have a good day. Bye.